Shut up, I'm recording. So hey everybody, today we're playing a classical game. It's from 2007, and it's called Dune Buggy. Now you may ask, what is Dune Buggy? Dune Buggy is this game where you drive a Dune Buggy. So here we go. As you can see, we're driving a Dune Buggy. Wow. I think I can do a flip right here. Yeah, I didn't die. Thank God. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Up the hill we go. See, like, it's a very simplistic game. It's Flash, the end of Flash. So as we're recording this, there's too much left of Flash, you know? Flash is going to die off in exactly 2 months. December 31st, 2020, yeah. And right now it's October 31st, 2020. So yeah, here we go. We're on level 2. Level 2 is snow. You know, it's all snowy. And I don't got a problem with that. Let's see, like, I gotta bounce. Oh, I hope I don't die on this level. Level 2, that would be embarrassing. Like, I just started practically, like, oh god, oh god. Oh god, okay. Okay, so, unfortunately I can't play the music because it doesn't record computer audio, and fucking great, it lagged me into the fucking ground, now I'm dead. Alright, so I'm jumping, and then I'm on the ground. Oh, this is going to be a long one. There's 15 levels of this, and I got to beat all of them tonight here on the Device channel too. Well, I'm going to upload this not tonight. I'm going to upload it in a couple days. So yeah, wait a couple days, you assholes. Come on. Jeez, why are you guys so mean? Jeez. Alright, so we're doing like up the hill, you know, we got to go around. Oh shit, this one's dangerous. This one's extremely... Oh, I just flipped upside down. Damn it, I didn't make it. Alright, so we gotta be careful here. Since there's a piece of fucking thin glass, you know, you gotta just drive over it. Alright, so now we're on level 4. It's gonna be a long one. Level 4, man, we got more to go. We got like 9, 10, 11. Whatever, it's 15. 15 levels. And I'm gonna beat all of them, trust me. I'm the pro at this game. You're not. You're not the pro at this game. As you can see, we got, you know, subscribe to MadDog1215. He's there in the background.
Oh, what? I'm in the background?
Yeah.
Where?
I told you I'm recording. I'm not cutting this. I'm not cutting this. I already told you that. So, yeah, if you subscribe to him, you just saw his face in this video. He's also playing guitar. Shut up. I don't want to get copyright strike. Quit. I don't want to get copyright strike, please. I don't want to get copyright strike. I'm not cutting this. Can you please not do that so I can not get copyright strike? Could you please not fucking play that for fuck's sakes? Hey, could you please not do that? Subscribe to MadDog1215. So yeah, we're 4 minutes through this game, and oh my god, come on, I just flipped upside down and died. You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, you gotta be kidding him.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Can I make it up there? I can't. I did it. I made it up there.
Whammy bar?
Well, I don't know where the whammy bar is. I'm pretty sure it doesn't work on your guitar.
Your guitar.
Oh, I don't know where the whammy bar is. Turn it down a little, please. Can you, like, please turn it down a little? I'm not cutting it out, so if this video gets copyright strike, that's his fault, YouTube. So here we go, we're just a tire now. We're just a tire. That's all we need to be is a tire. since I guess tires go around and we can make it around. Yeah, we're almost at the end of this level. I think the next level is level 8, and on level 8 it's a little bit more complicated. It's harder. It's much harder. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Oh, come on. All right. Oh, I messed up. All right, I think I can make it. Yes, I can. Alright, so, like, you gotta go up top. Hey, could you please quit? Oh my god.
I'm playing cockroach shit on purpose.
Want me to link your channel in the description? Hey. Hey.
I don't care.
I will link your channel in the description. Is that your favorite song or something?
No.
Oh. What's your favorite song? Tell us. Is that your
favorite song?
Yeah, play us your favorite song.
You play it on the other one.
Okay.
This is your shitty guitar.
Yeah, play it on your real guitar. Play it on your real shitty guitar. He has a Squire fucking Stratocaster.
Yes. It's a Squire Strat.
Yeah. Fuck. That's fucked up. We have only 15 minutes of this shit. I think I might have to do a part 2 of this, guy. Shit,
Yeah.
I fucked up.
Only a 15-minute time limit.
Fuck.
With OBS, it's not. There's no time limit.
I could have changed the time limit to like an hour, but I didn't. I don't know how that didn't crack. I bounced it and it didn't crack. Shit, that was crazy. How the fuck do I make it up? I can't. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna beat 15 levels. This shit, are you kidding me? I think I might be able to.
Why is it both of you have time?
Are you? Jesus. Oh god, no, not again. I just broke that. I might fall through. That would be scary. Oh, come on. No. Are you kidding me? There we go. No, not backwards. No. I didn't want to do that. Alright, here we are. We're at the checkpoint. So if I ever die, I can, like, make it back. Whatever. I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna die. So we're moving on to level 10. Level 10, here we are. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Here we go, we're gonna flip upside down. Could you turn it down a little so it doesn't like... I know you're deliberately trying to be a dick and all, but could you just turn it down just a little?
You should record a new video.
I'm not recording a new video. This is going to be the video that's put out. Guys, the video you're watching was the video that's put out. Pretty up. Be sure to subscribe to me, my first channel. This is my second channel. Be sure to subscribe to ManDog1215. And all that shit. All that shit. AJTTV as well. We're putting out some new shit there pretty soon. I don't know if it's actually going to happen though, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if that new shit comes out. But yeah, guys. I don't fucking know. So yeah, I don't think we're going to make it right in time. I doubt it. I doubt it. We're on level 11 though, so watch this. I bet I'll beat the game. I could just like pause it right here and then, you know, I'm gonna skip you guys to level 15 or whatever. I'm gonna do that at the 12-minute mark. No, I'm gonna do that right. All right, so now I'm back. I'm gonna fucking. Here's what I'm gonna do. Shit, hold on. It's adjusting the screen. It's making it move all over the place. So I'm on level 15. So here we go. Basically, we're almost done with. We're almost done with here. And I fucking smashed through those things. Yeah, basically you fucked up. So, like, you know, I'm gonna win now. I'm gonna win this game. I'm gonna beat it. I lost a lot of significant portion of life, sadly. I know you're all sad about that. I hear you crying. Oh god, here we go. I'm gonna have to bounce. This ain't gonna be good. Oh, this ain't good. This ain't good. This ain't a good sign, guys. When you see those bouncy things, you gotta know to cry. Come on, I can. Oh, I can. So this time we're not gonna break those things. We're gonna try and like. Drive carefully over them. Ah, I just contradicted what I said basically.
Sure.
No. Shit.
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 Shit. Shit. Shit. Shit.
Congratulations, I fucked up.
Hey, standard time is going to be at 2 o'clock, so we're going to have an extra hour.
Oh, cool.
I think. Yeah, starts November 1st. Yeah, alright.
So we're gonna have an extra hour worth of time to
Or
do.
are we going to lose an hour? Hold on.
I don't fucking know how it works. I'm not smart.
Yeah, it starts at November 1st.
Alright, drive carefully, drive carefully. Here we go, now we can make it across, and we made it across the checkpoint, so I almost died. Oh, I died. Oh, shit. It's gonna be bad. I gotta fucking be really fucking careful somehow.
Okay, so... Okay. So,
Oh,
yes.
God.
So, yes, it's gonna be... So, once it's like 150... Wait. No, that's not how...
I think
Okay.
it starts at 1 or 2.
No, yeah, it starts at 2. So, if it's at like 2, then it's going to go to 259, then it's going to go to 2 again.
Yeah.
Is that how it works?
I think... Oh, must watch it happen.
Okay.
Later on tonight. Oh god, I don't think we're gonna make this one. I don't think so. And yeah. Oh wow, I did not beat the game. And I was on the last level too. So, good night everybody. Yeah. And also, rest in peace to Flash. It's all over. So, if you like Flash games, goodbye to Flash.